Welcome, in front of me is DELL XPS 13 and in this video I will show you how to take a screenshot on this laptop. So in order to capture a screenshot, first use a combination of keys, either Windows Shift S or a single key which is F11 or print screen, which is located right here. And once you pressed one of these buttons, you will see the bar at the top of your screen. Here you'll have to select one type of screenshot that you want to take. For example, a rectangular screenshot lets you select a specific area, rectangular one, and once you select it, the screenshot will be taken and you'll see a notification on your screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be able to see the preview of your screenshot and edit it using the tools you see at the top part of the window. Now to find the screenshot, let us open the File Explorer and then go to the Pictures folder, and right here open Screenshots, and here is the screenshot that has been taken. So the next way to take a screenshot is window screenshot. To take this kind of screenshot, you just simply have to tap on the window that you want to take a screenshot of. And this way you get the screenshot of a window itself. The next way is full screen screenshot. Once you select this option, you will get a screenshot of entire screen and everything you can see on it. And the last option is freeform screenshot. Selecting this this option, you'll be able to draw a specific form on your screen, basically anything that you want, and the screen will be taken in a shape that you carved on your screen. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.